Hey Shug, good morning. This is Taj Mahali, your favorite bald esthetician, and we are doing a everything shower routine plus a underarm tutorial. So, in the morning, I really like to get a jump on my day. If I can, go to the gym at like 5 a.m., get a little work done, get a little nice little detox water going because I like to start my day with some self-care. And if you don't carve out any time for yourself, especially if you are a mom, it's really, really important so that you don't be spazzing on everyone throughout the day. So, first things first, I'm going to be using the Eminence Turmeric Energizing Treatment. This is a heated up treatment. You just need a fluffy brush for this. Everything else comes with it, even the bowl. And the whole goal is to make sure we get some blood flow going with this mask. And then, of course, at this moment, I forgot I need to put something on my head because if there is turmeric on it and I have like literally white tips on the top of my hair, it will stain it, and we don't need that. So I had to put my Goldilocks up and together. So, once again, back to the mask. It heats up, which is what you want. You want some blood flow because when you have oxygen present, it can kill any acne causing bacteria under the skin. And when we have blood flow, it's pushing oxygen through the skin, it's helping us kill that bacteria and making us look like the glazed donut we aspire to be. Now I'm turning the little wax pot on. This is a cheap little Gigi pot from Sally's, and we're using soft wax. I have some muslin strips, and I'm just going to show you guys a quick split screen on how we're going to prep for this. You need some sticks, you need some baby powder, and you're going to also need some type of astringent. This is from Cerapill. You don't need that. Girl, witch hazel will do the job. And of course, we need to spray our dirty mirror. I'm so sorry. The mirror looks crazy. And just wipe down the skin. Make sure there's no deodorant, no moisture, anything that's down there. And then we're going to flip it over because we're not wasting no strip. And we're going to put a little bit of baby powder underneath our arms. Sprinkle it like you're seasoning your underarms. And then, of course, spread it out evenly because too much powder will cause the wax to not stick. So, you want a very liquidy texture when it comes to soft wax because with hard wax, we want it to be nice and thick. Soft wax, we want it to be as thin as possible. I'm literally just painting it on like it's paint. After we get a nice thin layer, you're going to see me put the muslin strip or the wax strip, whatever it's called, on top. You can get these from Sally's as well. And you're going to just rub and pat and just make sure that everything is nice and connected. When you pull, the most important thing to do is to pull parallel. You see how I didn't pull away from my skin? I pulled against my skin. So you're going to see it again, even when I'm cleaning up. You can use that strip multiple times. Look at my hairy underarms. But that's how you're going to do that, okay? Next, I'm in the shower. I'm keeping this mask on. I'm not taking it off until I get out of the shower because I want all the benefits of it. First, I'm going to start off with buffing my body. And we are using the Dove exfoliating scrub. I think this is like the one that has like almond milk or something. I'll make sure it's linked below. What I love about this is that it's not a sugar scrub. Y'all, it is 2024. Please stop using sugar scrubs. Sugar tends to harbor bacteria. It's a little too sharp and it can definitely make micro tears into the skin. It's definitely not what we want. There's way better alternatives that are not sugar based. Now, if you don't take anything away from this video, this Naturium, the smoother, the glycolic, okay, the glycolic body wash is what you need. I've never been so soft in my life. I've used the First Aid Beauty KP scrub. Nothing has gotten me as soft as this, okay? And that's the one that all the girlies like. I use it with a little, what's that little thing called? A little silicone body brush. I got it from TJ Maxx, girl, because it's super cheap. But you want to go in and also use that as well. I love this, okay? If you want to be soft and smooth, you need that. Then I follow up with the Glow Getter. That is the oil to soap or the oil to foam body wash they have. And the reason why we do that is because I don't use the glycolic body wash every single day because that's going to be too much exfoliation. Like even the scrub, I don't use that every single day. That's why this is the everything body routine. But this is just going to kind of help supplement our biome afterwards, making sure that we don't over exfoliate and just nourish the skin, and also kind of act like a sealant because when you seal everything in that you already put on your body, it allows for it to just stay that much softer. Of course, we gotta, wash the cooch, use a little bit of honey pot, the sensitive, and then we're going in with the Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. I've been using this stuff for a really long time. If you are someone who lounges around in your tub, I mean, excuse me, not your tub, in your bathrobe or your towel afterwards, use this. Unless you're gonna immediately put on your body like, what is it called, oil, or your body lotion immediately after, girl, you need to use this, because otherwise you are literally losing all the moisture that you spent time pretty much soaking into your skin about 60 seconds or 2 minutes after your shower. We rinsing off the eggs. Make sure them eggs is nice and, you feel me, rinsed off. Now we're gonna go straight into the body care that we're gonna do. I am in love with these two. So the apricot body oil smells like candy. The yuzu smells like a nice lemony fresh oil. You put them together and you will smell like Skittles. I'm trying to find a signature scent that will go really well with this, because when I tell y'all I smell better than anyone that I know when I put these two on, it truly means it. And of course, like, when you're using an oil, you're ensuring that you're sealing in whatever you put on. So it's like double sealing. Like, I'm really making sure that we look like a glazed donut, have dolphin skin all over. We're not playing around this summer. You see this? You see the material? Look how soft I look. You could probably like reach your hand through it, try to touch me, okay? And of course, look at that texture of that. Oh my God, that oil is just beautiful. It's like butter. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, this looks like a shea butter kind of situation. Not at all. It like melts right into your skin. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, and brightening formula. Get it. So now that I am nice and glazed from the neck down, I'm going in to remove that mask. So it's nice and hard now. So I'm just using some water just to dampen it up, because we want to remove it. I really, really, really like this treatment. Eminence did that. They put their foot in it. Any of their hot products, anything that gives you some of that blood flow, is definitely it. So I didn't show it here, but I am using the Eminence Clear Skin Probiotic Cleanser. This cleanser is a really soft, gentle cleanser for my girlies who are a little acne prone. It has probiotics in there, lactic acid, which is super duper gentle, some tea tree, some spearmint, very gentle vibes. The whole point is to kind of like act as a Xanax for your acne. So it's not meant to make it angry like a lot of other acne products that are out there. And we're just trying to get this little mask off, honey, because she's been on there for a couple hours at this point. I had to run and go take my brother to school. So I would prefer Clean Skin Club towels, but we have a towel here and we're going to use it to wipe our crusty white line off of our lips. And it'll get the job done. It's a fresh towel. Like, we'll be fine. Look at her. She's so cute. And now I'm going in with the pineapple refining tonic. This has tranexamic acid in it, which is a great brightening ingredient. So excellent for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. It also has a few light exfoliants like pineapple enzymes in it, and it smells amazing. It's also super duper gentle for someone who is just starting out with active ingredients. Next, I'm going in with the Strawberry Hyaluronic Hydrator, which is just a lightweight kind of gel cream moisturizer. We don't want to go too crazy. It's getting warmer. I don't like heavier moisturizers during the day. And I feel like this serves its purpose, and it smells really, really good as well. Then, of course, going in with the Supergoop Unseen Screen. Now, she's been around for a long time. We're doing 3 fingers lengths worth of sunscreen for our face and neck. I like this. I love the formula because it's clear, right? So you won't be casket ready. You won't look like you're ready to go down into the ground. But Trader Joe's also has a dupe for this, and it's half the price. So if you're kind of like, oh, I don't really want to spend that, go to Trader Joe's. It's the exact same formula, girl. Save your little coin, because I understand. But this is going to really conclude the video, my dear. As you can see, I am ready to go to work now. I am ready to be the best mom I need to be. So make sure you subscribe so we can see you next week, girl. Bye.